So this is so cool. Look at this. I inspected this house at a rough stage. That's a cool light. Actually, I think we have something similar at our house. But I love this nickel. This is open here. This is you got an attic up there. This is just like a little workstation, you guys. This is so cool. It has lights. It has plugs. You know, it's unfinished. You don't have flooring or anything. They might be putting flooring, or this is an option for the owners, whoever's purchasing this, to do whatever they want with that. They probably need more lights than that. But this is a huge, I mean, this is at least 10 feet or more. This is probably like a 12 to 13 foot. I don't have my tape measure, but that's what it looks like. Ceilings. These are tall. I mean, that you need a extension ladder for that. 16 foot at least with somebody holding it. But so cool. There's drop off. These homes are about $1 million, if not more. And you can see here they put the sod in already. It's still really mushy. I don't want to go too far down, but look at that, just hanging off. It's probably got an attic here. But all these houses are going to have their solar panel here. We're going to take a walk inside, you guys. My videos are going to be only 10-minute video walks on these new homes. You guys are going to see this. Most garages are going to be unfinished. I am so stoked to see this Tesla power box here and the solar panel. Those are $80,000, so you guys know. 80 grand for that roof. Here's a walk-in to this house. We're walking in through the garage. Here we have really high ceilings. Really high ceilings. So beautiful. I can't believe how this house looks like when it's done. Sorry, I'm having a hard time breathing. There's a lot of walking before this video. But look at that. All of these are high ceilings, the same as what we just came. These are probably about 12-foot ceilings. Look at this. Oh, that is so cool. You got gas. You have gas, stove. Really nice. I want to. Oh, whoa. That is way too low. Good thing I had my hard hat on. Holy crap. That is a really low. That's not to code for sure. I'm 6 foot, so if I'm hitting that on my head, you know for sure it's about to hit anybody. But look at that. Really nice. They went a little cheap with that I don't even know what Whirlpool fridge, but you got granite countertops. And you know what's funny is I had this granite countertop at our house, and I know for a fact that it costs a lot because my little tiny dinky townhouse cost $3 grand just for the granite countertop without the backsplash piece. But they put in a backsplash. Look at this, you guys. They did the corner. They bent that corner. They didn't cut it. They bent it. You can see that. Bent it. Heated it up and bent it. Usually you'll cut a degree on that, but look at that. Really beautiful. They use big tiles on the back. So I like that. They use the big tiles. What is crazy is, I believe those don't look like GFIs. Maybe because the sink's over here, but if you're over here and you're cooking a pot of something, that needs to be a GFI. See, they got one over here for no reason. Oh no, that's just an original. I'm not too big on electrical yet, but I do know those look like standard, regular ones. You got your gas. Okay, you guys, when I inspected this house at a rough stage, it didn't look. There was no decoration, no drywall, anything. This was open. And I remember coming here, inspecting this wall, making sure they had the right insulation and they did the correct air barriers for this fireplace here. But look at that. Really big home. You can feel the air in here is very conditioned. Here's one bedroom. It's a kind of a small room. I think it's It's kind of a small bedroom, but I mean, for a kid or you know, a guest room, it's pretty nice size. A bed and maybe a dresser, but you have a, look at this restroom. There's me right there. What's up, y'all? But really nice. Really nice. Cool, cool. I love this builder here specifically. I'm not going to be naming the builders off, but I love this builder here. They do a fabulous job on ceiling homes. They are energy efficient all the way around with how they build, and I really like the materials and these custom homes that they build. Look at these cabinets. Gorgeous. Look at that. That's for this microwave. But so cool. Look at this. I'm gonna go up to the second floor here. That's a closet right there, but second floor, I love this. They pretty much laid the floor, stained it, sealed it. I seen this was all put in at rough stage, and they kind of just, you go and stain this and seal this with polyurethane. Carpet the top floor. You got a room in here. Really nice. Look at that. This is a shared bathroom. This is a closet. Nice little walk-in closet. So if you have kids, or look at this. All quartz. They kept the cabinet color throughout the whole house the same. This dark brown. Really nice. Simple tile, you know, with the bathtub. Really nice. Look at this. Really tall ceilings is what I like. You know, we got one of our guys came, and I'm gonna check their HVAC at this house is what I'm inspecting today. But look at this, huge. Look at that, you guys. This is a huge laundry room, straight up. Mechanical ventilations to ERV. So I can do another video on how ERVs work, and you know, those are more the expensive route. Look at, here's the Tesla solar paneled roofs. Look at that. This whole roof has solar panels on it. This is all solar roof. Big tax credit. 80 grand. Look at that. I love how they kept everything the same. Nice big closets in each of these rooms. So cherry. Look at, here's the master bedroom. We're at 8 minutes right now, you guys. But here's the master bedroom. Tall ceilings on all the rooms. Molding on the top. You got a drop ceiling in here. And then you have this other den little area that you can do whatever you want. I love these types of layout for the master bedrooms. You walk in, you have a separate area over here. Then you have another area over here. All these windows, tall ceilings. Then you have a really nice walk-in bathroom. Look at this walk-in bathroom. Oh my gosh. No, they didn't. Look at that. Walk-in shower, 2 showers. Look at that. Beautiful. I love that tub right there. Oh my gosh, my wife's gonna flip out. We gotta get this house. Or at least get the plans for this house. Oh wow, look at this. Kept all the countertops the same, kept the cabinets the same, got a nice restroom. I love how they segregate the restroom. And just a huge walk-in closet. Huge walk-in closet. Got your attic panel there, which I'm going to destroy once I lift it up because they seem to paint over the weather stripping for some reason all the time. I need to get in there and make sure the attic insulation is correct. Love this. Love this. Love it all. I love it. They can do more caulking on the floor because it looks tacky. That was the master. Got a little closet here. And that's about it, you guys. Actually, there is a basement. I don't have... Let's do a little bit longer video real quick so I can show you guys the basement. Here's your other closet. Oh, this is a powder bath. Tall ceilings in a powder bath. Jeez. I love it though. I love how they did that. So we have a basement here, you guys. We're gonna walk down here to your personal gym, or whatever this is. You got your R11 insulation wrap around here. That's what this white wrap is your R11 concrete wall wrap insulation. Where's the radon pipe? There should be a radon pipe here somewhere. But this is so cool. You got a little grass area. You want to sneak out or something. You know what I mean? But really cool. They got the I-beams up here. Look at these I-beams supporting the house with their pillars here. And these are going to go deep in the ground. They're probably maybe, 3-4 feet, 2 feet. Depends on what the inspector calls for. But you got your outside door here. Really cool. They leave a lot of these basements, open for, you get to do anything you really want. You can put up walls here. You can put in another bedroom here. You can put in a office space, a workspace, a workout space. I love what they do to these homes on this builder here, on these custom homes. It's something I would really love to get a layout on and probably eventually build something or have them build this for me. I love what they do. This is such a clean house. You go out here, and just to let you guys know, this is $1 million home. So this is something around that range. Really nice big beams here. You definitely could have done a little concrete pad right here. Stamped concrete pad, something I would have did. Or if you know how to do concrete and you buy this house, you can do it. They cast these walls here with this decoration. Really nice. They just put one of these things you buy at Lowe's or Home Depot, these little pavers. But beautiful. Got the sod in here, grass, the water flows that way. Nice home. This is a little bit of a dark area, but if you're a cigar smoker, or you will make this your work area and you build a pathway up for whoever your accountant or whoever you need, then really nice office space, I guess. Gym. This could be a really huge gym, you guys. Really, honestly, this could be honestly a huge gym here. But beautiful. Love this. Look at this. They got another little closet here. Just a regular closet, just empty. And extra tile down there. And you got all your protective stuff here, and it's good to go. Tesla, look at this. What is this? Oh man. Get your lever here. Okay, we're not going to touch that. I'll have the CM show me what that is. I want to see it. I like Tesla. I like his things. I love, the Tesla solar panel roofs and stuff. I'm real big on that, and it's something I'm going to be doing on, places that me and my wife buy. So look at that, you guys. It was a little longer video, but just wanted to give you guys a quick look at some of the houses that I get to inspect. I love to see all the molding people do, transitions. All right, you guys. Well, I'm going to inspect this house and let you know if it passes. It's a lot of vents to cover in this one. But actually, let's go out here. This is the patio upstairs. Really nice. This is vinyl here. It's another house that I inspected over here. Probably the same layout. That's what it looks like. But look at this view, guys. Come on. Seriously. You can't beat this. This is a good price for a house right here. I mean, you can even extend this deck even further this way. And just make it bigger. It's so cool. Such a huge Goodman. It's a little cheaper brand on a condenser system, but it's good. Do want to see one issue. See the house wrap? Should have went higher. I gotta seal that up. It's like this. It's gotta be gone. I can't be able to see it. Anyways, beautiful home. Beautiful. Alright, you guys. This was a little bit of a longer video than I expected. I love this. This is actually something one of my friends want to do. So now I see we have the board here. We have just molding. We have a piece of wood. And we have those hangers that sit on these, this raised, framed that all up. That's pretty cool. I love that little mud area, the closet. All right, guys.